Hello student, today I will teach you how to make the infographic. For this, let us see what the infographic is. So let us open my browser. So this is the browser here. Let me write here infographic. Now you can see, and now click on the images. Then you will get real what is infographic. Here you can see various topics are there. Let me click on the computer infographic. Here, with the help of these pictures, with the help of this infographic, I hope you would have get the idea that on a one form, you will get all the information in the form of a small pics, and the relevant data will be given over there. This is called my infographic. You want to see some, you can see on the screen here. Here in this infographic, a brief history of the computer science is given here. All the different type of devices, different type of the things was used in earlier time. If you remember, you can see here different device has been used, and this is the computer which was there in the early times. So this is called my infographic. Now question arises, how you're going to design the infographic. So for this, first thing first, that you should work in the Canva. So as I told you earlier also, Canva always work online. So you have to open the website canva.com. So it is opening here. As it is open, this is the first screen. On the first screen, you can see different type of presentation. Since we have to design the infographic, so double click on the infographic. Now infographic is come over here. Got it? Now templates, upload, photos, element, text, audio, video, backgrounds, whatever you want to rectify, you can do it. Here there are so many type of infographics is there. You can choose any template of your need. Suppose I want to work on the health. Right now, everyone should keep your health at the time of this pandemic. We all know that we are sitting in the home. We are missing watching movies. We are missing eating in the restaurant. We are missing going to the schools. We are sitting in a home just to save ourselves. As we will go outside, Corona will catch us. So let us see what is the healthy tips we will give it to the everyone, and we can design the infographic. Right now you can see it's showing in a very small way. Let us increase it so that you can do the changes, whatever the changes you want to do. First I want to change this. So here I want to say pandemic health tips. Right? So this is the thing I have written. Now let me reduce the size. I can reduce the size. Now here you can see I have reduced the size here. Clear? If you want to change the color, you have to simply click it here. Whatever the color you want to choose, you can click on this. The color will be changed automatically. Here it is here. If you are interested in changing the font also, there are so many fonts is available here. You can choose any font, whichever the font you like it. See, this is a simple font which I normally like it whenever we are working with any unofficial thing. This is the best things. See, it will giving you the hints also. So this is what I have done, the small modification in my template. Now if you will see what are the healthy tips we need in this pandemic time, we need the thermometer app. We should keep an eye on heart rate monitors. Then we should need the period trackers. We should keep the track on insulin motors, heart rate monitors. This comes as the same. Now let us change it. Now here I will put the oximeter. You know it, what is the need of the oxygen right now? All is watching in the news. So I will write it here, oximeter. Oximeter. You all know what is oximeter is. Fine. So I have mentioned oximeter. Now here you can make the changes. You can change the language also. What is the need of the what is the need of the oximeter? It will keep track on the what is the level of the oxygen in our body. What is a gluten-free recipe? What type of the diet we should take? We should not take the very fatty diet, and we should not take very. It will have the carbohydrates, more sleep analysis. So this is the way we can keep a track on the our health. Now after putting all these things, if I want to put some animation here, now click on the animation and you can choose the animation of your choice. Let me take the animation of my choice. I want something like this. We have to keep on checking. I told earlier also, you have to check on every options. Whichever option you like it much, you can. I like this, so I put this breathe. Now some of the student mostly ask, madam, I'm not able to see how the animation is working. So what is the thing you have to do? It you have to download as a video, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. Now this is the way our infographic will be downloaded. And after that, if you want to share on the mail ID, you can share. If you want to share it on the WhatsApp, you can share. This is the way your infographic will be get ready. I hope it will be clear to all. So by this, I just come to the end of this video. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep doing something new. Bye to all. Take care.